Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Darcy, and today we are going to be doing a simple, bold eyeliner look. This is an everyday kind of eyeliner look that I have been practicing a little bit more because if you've watched any of my other makeup tutorials, you know I'm not the best at eyeliner. It's kind of really, it's like my one thing that I just cannot conquer in the makeup world, that and of course lashes. So I wanted to practice doing some eyeliner looks that are simple and creative and are easy and short, so that you don't spend too much time, contemplating, is it too sharp? Is it not sharp enough? Are they even? Do they look good on both sides? All of that anxiety over eyeliners, just, it's not the mood for 2020. We're not trying to do that. So I've been researching and doing, trying out different kinds of looks for my hooded eyes because that's also an issue. So I'm going to be showing you a look in this tutorial on how to do sort of really simple eyeliner look, how to do a really simple eyeliner look that's easy and comfortable to wear all day long, that isn't super complicated. So that is what we're doing in today's video. And of course, as per usual, every single product in this video is cruelty-free because that is what we are about this year. And if I can encourage you at all, try at least one cruelty-free product this year, or multiple. I think it's just the same as regular products and they're still affordable. As a matter of fact, these are all drugstore products that I am using, so definitely go out there and look for some new cruelty-free finds because they are out there and they are waiting for you to purchase them. So yeah, alright, enough talking, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is prep my face a little bit, so I am going to be putting on some moisturizer. I am using the DuVernay Sensitive Skin Moisturizing Cream, and this is a morning cream that I usually do for the daytime. I have another one that I use as well, but just for this purpose we're going to be putting this on because I want moisturized, supple skin. So next I'm going to be going in with my foundation. It's not really foundation, more like a BB cream, but I'm using again the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk in the shade Light Medium. This has a dewy finish, which is what I want. I'm just putting a little bit on the back of my hand. Then I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Natural Defense Total Coverage Concealer with sunscreen. This has SPF 30 in it, and this is a really nice concealer. It's really full coverage. It does work a lot. It kind of has the same consistency of Tarte Shape Tape, which I like. You guys know I'm using Tarte Shape Tape forever now, and this is a good alternative because Physicians Formula uses a lot more natural ingredients, and that's what we're about as well. So I'm just gonna dab this on in my specific areas that need concealer. It's nice because it comes with this little like cushion tip, and you just push the product out of it and then dab it on. I need you to know that I don't want to spend my whole life waiting. Next, I am going to do my brows really quick. I am just going to use the top part of this. So this is the Brow Last Long Wearing Brow Gel by Physicians Formula, and I'm just going to take this top part off and brush my brows out a little bit. So now that my brows are done, I am going to go in with my eyes. So for this look, I am going to be using an eyeliner, and it is the NYX eye pencil in the shade Moss. This is kind of a metallic green eyeliner, and I'm just going to be putting a little bit on and then smudging it out, just to get like the desired look that I want. But I'm not going to be doing a full eye look. After that, I'm just going to put some mascara on and that's it. This is really simple, quick, easy makeup that I'm doing because I want it to last the whole day and be really versatile. But I wanted to do something with just eyeliner so it could still be kind of bold but still really simple. So I'm just going to be putting this, and this is a crayon, so you kind of have to put a little bit of pressure on your eyes. I'm just going to put this near my lash line, and then I'm going to take a brush and smudge it out. My queen bee swinging to my sonnet as I lay by. It's how I want it. In a minute she wrote something that stink good. Feeling haunted the way she goes, then I make eye contact. Both of our tummies. So as you can tell, I did it a little bit messy, but I did it on purpose because, like I said, I'm going to smudge it out, and I'm just going to use my finger for this outer corner here, and then I'll use a brush for inside the lash line. But we just want it to come out a little bit and up a little bit. So I'm going to line this up here a little bit so it's kind of in my crease. So as you can see, it's really smudged around my lid and outer corner here at the end, and then I've kind of kept it really bold on my lash line here and on my under eye. I think it blends really well with neutral colors, and it'll just look really nice put together with an everyday outfit. So I just went back in and did a little bit more in my waterline and on my lash line, so it just really popped. So now, like I said, I'm going to go in and just put some mascara on. I am going to be using my CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara. I love this mascara so much because of the tiny bristles on the brush. I think it works so well to get all my tiny little lash hairs. Now that I have that on, I am going to go in and pop just a little bit of a highlight in my inner corner here, and I'm going to be using Champagne Pop by Becca. Then I am going to do my face, so we can pull this back out. So I am going to be using cream products today, as per usual, you know how it is. So I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Cosmetics Cream Contour Palette, and I'm going to be using this brown shade right here to do my bronzer. So we're just going to give myself a little bit of color here. Just smoked all my weed. My life's a mess, I didn't know that. For a second I was scared. I thought it was Wednesday. It's like, bitch, it is not Wednesday. You're fine. I don't know why. Because I'm delusional. Then I am going to put on some blush. So I am using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Cream Blush in the shade Soft Rose. As per usual, this is my favorite cream blush. Favorite. Oops, this side got a little bit more color than the other side. So I'm just going to take a clean brush and wipe some of this away. Plus I think that these colors match well together with the green and this like kind of strawberry watermelon. Actually, it's more of a watermelon pink color. I think it works really well with this green in making my eyes pop. And then I'm going to go in with some chapstick. I am using this Nivea chapstick. This is Milk and Honey, but it's almost gone. And I kind of hate that. Then I'm going to go in with a lip gloss, and I am using my Milani Lip Plumper This is Moonlight, Claire de Lune. Who is she? We don't know her. She looks so good. Okay, then I'm gonna take these out, and I am finished. That was the really quick, simple, bold liner look. I really didn't want to spend a whole lot of time on it. I wanted something super easy and quick I could put on, and it could work for the entire day and still be a bold liner look. So that is what I came up with. I hope you guys liked it. Look, it matches my nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and you will also try some bold liner looks this summer. It's fine. Try something new, you know, maybe cultivate some looks that you want to bring out when you finally feel comfortable leaving the house and all of that. So just keep this in mind, and yeah, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that bell notification, you know you want to, and I will see you guys later. Bye.